New this morning, a major surprise for a local Marine veteran who's made it his mission to help others.
Who's the recipient?
Joe Stazione.
Just a few hours ago, Caliber Collision gave Joe Stazione of Allen the keys to a newly restored 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. Stazione spends countless hours on the road every day, meeting with vets and working with a nonprofit to raise awareness and offer programs to combat suicide. And before this, he hadn't even owned a car for several years. He had to rely on friends for transportation.
It's a really overwhelming, awesome thing that they do here, and I'm unbelievably humbled. A contribution like this to somebody can completely give them their life back.
Now, today's donation was made possible through the National Auto Body Council's Recycled Rides program. That's where the collision industry companies team up to repair and donate vehicles. And over the past 7 years, Caliber Collision and his partners have donated nearly 350 cars worth more than $4.5 million to military service members, veterans, families, and others in need. And that guy's a pretty deserving guy. He does good stuff.